Oh, wait, stay still. Put your pony back a bit.
Oh, he's
hang on.
He's got his mouth open.
Thanks, trying to eat your hair.
What's he doing now?
Eating your hair.
How much is he?
Oh, he's got a mouthful. Oh, we should get him to stop. Yeah.
There we go. He probably thinks it's something to eat. I don't know, like a worm or something.
Whoa. He's like snorting.
Yeah.
Do you usually snort? It's okay, little guy. You're just awesome. He's going an awesome green.
Yeah. Oh, he gets that pattern when he gets excited.
Yeah.
Oh, he really pinches. That's some grip.
Ooh.
Eat my hair. Okay. I can finally tell my friends I had a chameleon eat my hair.
I've actually never seen him do that before. That's pretty funny.
Here we go. Yeah, I don't want you falling. You're
Yeah,
like
put him back.